What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be installing a little bit like interior pieces and trunk pieces on the Evo. I got a package over here from STM. So yeah, one thing about me is like the interior of the car makes it all for me. I don't like having nasty interiors. I don't like having like scraped up interiors. So like I didn't record this before, but a long time ago I had a new OEM shift knob, the boot, trim, the whole center console, the Rexpeed cover. This whole entire piece is brand new. I couldn't find the cup holders brand new, so that one is reused. All of this is brand new, and this trim piece right here is brand new. Everything that I could get my hands on that's still in stock from Mitsubishi, I am gonna buy brand new. But it's annoying because this car, a lot of the parts are getting discontinued, so it's like if I don't find it now, it's like I'm never gonna find it later. If I don't buy it now, it's probably gonna get discontinued tomorrow. Like with the rear bumper, I remember I literally got lucky. There was like the last one left in stock at Extreme PSI, and I just happened to go that day and literally buy it, and it got discontinued that same day, and the price went up to like 2,000 on like eBay for just that JDM rear bumper. So it's like just stuff like that. Like I want to get my hands on any little thing that I can until they are discontinued and have to pay 10 times the price later. So yeah, in this box I do have like this trim pieces goes up here. I have the carbon fiber shift e-brake boot. I know they only came on the MR edition, I believe, but yeah, I kind of do like that silver and carbon fiber piece here, so I'm happy to have that. And then the lights in here are not illuminating properly, so I think this bulb is just blowing out, so I got two bulbs just to change both of them. So yeah, let me start getting into that. I'm probably gonna do this first because I read on the forums that this is a pain in the ass to get out. So yeah, let me start doing this. All right, so I got the e-breakers up right here. This is the part. Where's the part number? Part number right up here for the OEM carbon fiber e-brake. The hardware was already out. I put it just in a little Ziploc bag, but this is the hardware that it comes with, and it comes with an Allen key as well. And this is the OEM carbon fiber e-brake boot handle, whatever you want to call it. So I feel like my car had it previously. I'm not too sure because if I already pull it, it's already loose. And I was reading on the forums that it's like people were saying that like I could see the glue residue here, but people were saying that it's really hard. Like they had to shove a flathead to scrape the glue and probably cut here, but I pull it off easily. And I honestly, probably someone had it on the car, and then before they got rid of it, they took it out. But yeah, this is a very easy install, and that's it. It does have these little screws that basically go in on the inside with the little Allen key. So let me do that now. These are the little, don't know if you can see that, if that's focused, but these are the little screws that are part of it, and they go in the little holes on the side here. So one little tip I would say for this, definitely like put the screws in before you put it here, just in case you don't drop it on the side. So like these little screws right here, definitely put them in first, like screw them in a little bit, because you don't want to drop them down in the little thing in there. So all right, so this is what it looks like with the e-brake on. I'm kind of happy I got the OEM one and not the Rexpeed one, because the Rexpeed one is just the same thing, but it's black instead of silver. Let me see if you, yeah, there you go. Black is just a black instead of silver, and honestly, this looks way better than the Rexpeed one, so I'm kind of happy I went with this one. Now for this part, you can't really tell how like scratched up it is on camera, but my OCD is killing me, and I still have the option to buy it brand new. This is the part number. Oh, let me turn it upside down. That's the part number. Go with the old. And with the new. I'm sorry, my OCD is killing me. If I could buy a brand new, just like having these brand new pieces, just make it feel like you're like literally driving a brand new car. All right, so the first step to removing all of this, well, I have a trim piece on here, so I have to remove this first. And then you have to remove these 3 knobs. And then I believe there's 1 screw behind this knob and 1 screw behind this knob. So let me start doing that. So this is what I was talking about. I got that radio removed. 1 screw here. There's another screw right here. You also want to make sure like where you put these knobs, because these 2 are bigger than the smaller one. So remember, the smaller one does go in the middle. So this is what it looks like without it. This is the trim piece. This is also brand new as well. I changed all of this. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 clips on the back. You want to try to pry from like the sides and try not to break them. But yeah, these are the 2 bulbs I was talking about. And there's another one hidden behind here. I think I have to take this off to get to this bulb, but I think it's behind the panel. I don't even think it goes in front of the panel. So let me double check. All I want to say is, if you plan on changing these bulbs right here, because these are the bulbs. Let me put this light on actually. If you plan on changing these bulbs here, don't even do it. It's annoying. I had to take the whole radio. I had to take everything out. To get to these bulbs, it's on the back side, and you got to disconnect the linkages from this knob and this knob that go all the way down to here. Then when I was doing that and I got it to work, the fuse blew out that holds all the lights. So my dashboard lights weren't working. These lights weren't working. It's just a whole mess, bro. Just if you plan on changing these lights, just take your time. See, the light switch is off. Light switch is on. The lights are actually working now, and these are working. That was a huge hassle just to get these to work. Off, on.
Day 2.
All right, guys. So it's the next day. This is currently how my trunk sits. I do have the spares. I'm gonna put it back in. I just had to clean it. And when I got the car, it did come with the side pieces and the back piece that goes back there, but they are messed up, and I don't really know if I want to put them back in. Like, they don't look that bad. But they're cracked and like deteriorating a little bit. But I did manage to get the brand new cardboard and the carpet that goes on top of it. So I'm gonna put those in now, and then I might throw in the other pieces just to complete the whole trunk set. So for the trunk carpet, this is what it looks like. It's just like a grayish black. This is the Mitsubishi part number. I don't know if you can see that. And then for the cardboard piece that goes underneath it, this is what it looks like. Has some foam on the back of it, and that's the Mitsubishi part number. Okay, quick little update. I got the side pieces and the back piece in. I don't know if you can really see on camera, but they're kind of like broken. I mean, it looks better already just having this in there. And yeah, if you do have this whole entire trunk set and you don't want it anymore and it's in great condition, please DM me, comment, whatever. I'll probably buy it off of you, because I'm not really too happy with this and then how the rug is gonna look brand new. But yeah, if you have a set, a decent, good set, definitely drop it in the comment section down below and let me know. I'll probably buy it off of you. So just showing you guys for reference, this is what it looks like with the spare tire and the jack inside. Now we could put the cardboard and the carpet on top of it. And this is what it looks like, a complete trunk. I am happy with it, other than the fact that like I said earlier in the video, this part is all like dirty. I tried to clean it up a little bit as much as I could, but to be honest, it's not gonna get any better. But yeah, like I said, if you have the trunk interior for the Evo 789, definitely hit me up. I probably will buy it off of you. All right, y'all, it's gonna be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really happy with how everything came out, especially the e-brake cover. And I do like how the trunk came out, but I'm not too happy about the side pieces, how dirty they are, and just like breaking and deteriorating. But oh my gosh, these lights in the center of the dash were a pain in the ass to do. So I'm happy I got that out the way. If you do have the trunk pieces, definitely hit me up, leave it in the comment section, whatever. I'll probably buy them off of you if they're good priced and they look decent. But yeah, definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.